Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Seal, the high level queen. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a high level membership upsell offer in just 5 easy steps. So let's get started. So for those of you guys who don't know, we actually have a free Facebook group called Marketing Agency Automation Secrets, where we give away hundreds of dollars in free trainings every single week to our members. So click the link below to go check that out. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is create an offer. So we're going to click on Sites, Memberships, Offers, and we're going to click on Create an Offer. This is going to be tied to a product of your choice, and you are going to set the price here. Click on Create. And here, you can include a bundle of products if you wish, which is kind of cool. So we're just going to go ahead and save this, and then we're going to click Step 2. We're going to create our upsell. And Step 3, we're going to choose between a one-click upsell or an in-app upsell. The one-click upsell lets you sell an offer after the initial offer is purchased, which is the most common thing to do. And then the in-app upsell is going to log products as a bundle, so you can now only sell products in bundles if you wish. I'm going to create the one-click upsell. And Step 4, you're going to choose the offer that we just created here. In Step 5, you're going to customize this page. So you can make it say whatever you want. And we are going to, you can add a video, you can add an image, you can add a description, like that. And then checkout, you can also change the checkout buttons and all that jazz. And then click on save. So it's not going to update in real time, you have to click save, and then we're going to preview it here. That's what that looks like now. And then ultimately, you're going to want to make sure that you test this. So in the offers page, you can publish it, and then when you edit the price, you can click on test or live mode. And if it's test mode, when you go to the page, I'll show you real quick, preview. Okay, so you put in the email, the name, and then here on test mode, you're going to do 4/1/1/1/1/1/1/1/1/1. The expiration date has to be in the future. CVC can be anything. Click on buy now. And if it is on test mode in Stripe, it should work. That's how you do the test. Cool. So they said they sent me an email. I put in a fake email, so I'm not going to get it, so don't do that. And then the upsell, I didn't turn it on. That's why it didn't work. So make sure that you click on active here, and then we can preview it again. Okay, don't use the same email. Okay, let's try this one more time. We should be presented with the upsell this time because I actually turned it on. Ha! This is the upsell. And you can click checkout and buy the upsell now. And that's that's how you do it, okay? So that's how you create an upsell offer with your membership. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and you can get your free trial and bonuses using the link below. I'll see you next time.